Have you ever wondered how the world's best presenters build desks in under an hour? Well, I found something that changes everything: Gamma. So here we are on the Gamma homepage. Now, Gamma is giving away 100 plus optimized presentation prompts for free. So these aren't just random prompts, they're built from patterns found across 3.5 million decks. So each one reflects with consistently works with real presentations. The idea is pretty simple. You give Gamma one well-crafted prompt and it can generate an entire deck in minutes, not hours. And I'm going to show you that now. So you're going to go create new AI, you're going to click generate, and then obviously you have some example prompts down here. You can click presentation, web page, document, social, but for this example, we're just going to use an example because Gamma found that it only takes 30 words to create a great deck. Now, if you want to shuffle as well, you can click this and it shuffles up a few more. Now, we're just going to use this one, right? Social media marketing strategies. And we're just going to click it and we're going to click generate outline and see what it comes up for us. As you can see, it starts building out an outline for you. Number 1, social media marketing strategies for 2025, winning in a changing landscape. Then you've got 2, why social media marketing still matters in 2025. Number 3, set clear goals and know your audience. You can see here that it's literally laid out a perfect deck for you to build on. This basically makes presentations and everything so much easier for you. It's so simple. You take it all the way down to the bottom. Your conclusion is build a strategic, measurable and human-centered social media plan, right? It's so well built out. And then you can even customize it all. You can go for minimal, concise, detailed, extensive. I personally like what it's on now, but you might like a bit of pistachio. That might be your thing. And then obviously you have image start. So you've got illustrations, abstract, 3D, line art, photorealistic. I love a bit of line art personally. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and click generate. And you can see now it is literally building this out for me now using the exact style, the great text that I asked for, and also, it had the illustrations as well. Yeah. The line art that I really, really like. It's just so clean, so simple. And as a graphic designer, my degree is in graphic designing. This is a dream for me. You take me back to university now, my life just got a hell of a lot easier. Granted, you're paying a little bit for the process, but I wouldn't have to do so much now. This is unbelievable how amazing it is. Content is king, authenticity and value drive engagement. It's got great line art, great coloring. It's beautiful to look at if we're being honest. Blend organic engagement with paid advertising. Even the image that it's actually generating is so perfect for what it's talking about. You don't have to do anything. It does it for you. And then obviously it says, show me. So once you've done it, Gamma uses cards to contain your content. Perfect. So cards are similar to slides, pages, or sections with 0 limitations. They can grow or shrink to fit your content. Then obviously every card is made up of editable blocks. So anything you want to edit, if you want to edit some of the text out, if you want to, sort some of the pictures out, you can edit them all. But when you're talking about the bones of what it's giving you, it's just perfect in my opinion. Now, it's important to note that Gamma is the world's most leading popular AI presentation app with over 70 million users and 40 plus teams relying on it daily. It generates more than 700,000 decks every single day. So the system has seen what good presentations look like at massive scale. The prompt guide is organized by profession, sales, marketing, consulting, and education. So you're not guessing which prompt to use. And every single prompt follows Gamma's proven structure, clarity on who the audience is, and cues for tone and communication style. And visual first storytelling, which makes decks easier to follow and obviously be more engaging. Now, we're going to be talking about why the research matters. Okay. So these insights come from broad aggravated trends, not personal user data. So it's focused on patterns and not individuals, right? So over time, Gamma has identified what actually leads to presentation success, strong structure, clear visual, and narrative flow. So by using the guide, you can save 85 to 95% of your time because the prompt basically handles all the heavy lifting for you. It handles the formatting, visuals, storyline, while still improving the quality of your final deck. And since 90% plus of decks on Gamma include visuals, the guide leads into that standard, helping you create a more compelling visual first presentation. So we want to talk about how to use the guide effectively. So start by choosing a prompt that aligns with your role or goal. So whether you're pitching, teaching, or selling or presenting data, if you want to scale things even further, you can use Gamma's API or JSON templates to automate deck creation and generate multiple templates fast. You can also mix your existing slides, your notes, or documents with Gamma's AI to get a polished, cohesive deck wave faster than building it from scratch. And once you've found a prompt that works particularly well for your audience, don't forget to share it using Gamma's brand assets, right? It helps others and strengthens your content. So we just have a couple of additional points. Gamma has already generated over 1 billion AI images. That's more than Instagram produces in a day. You can streamline your workflow using Gamma's API integrations with Tailor and OpenAI, automating research, writing, and design. If you need brand assets, logos, or templates, you'll find everything you need at brand.gamma.app. And for social posts, make sure to tag Gamma #GammaPartner and avoid posting new content within 12 hours of a Gamma post. So, do you want to build smarter, faster, and more impressive decks? Try Gamma's free prompt guide today. The best presenters already are.